It's Tuesday, April 21st, 1:15 p.m. I want to go over how I made a total of $2,300 today across all my accounts. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So over here on TopStep, I have my 5 funded accounts. Made $246 on these first 4. And then on my last one, I made $700. So we can see real quick, I took a couple trades to make $700. I just got this one today, so off to a decent start. And then on my other 4, I was copying these 4. We can see 246, 246, 46, and so forth. But yeah, 246 on these. I did not trade yesterday. I went fishing instead, and yeah, now I'm back to it. But yeah, the trade I took on these was this morning. I think it would have been on probably on this one. Which account did I take it on? Oh, there it is, right there. Super small. Okay, so it looks like I took a long, I believe. I don't know why that is so small. I barely even noticed that. Let's make it black. There. Okay, down to the, let's do a 1 minute. Okay, looks like I took a long, inverse long, across the accounts. Why did I take a long? Well, I'll explain it. Boom. Okay, so higher time frame on the 1 hour. We can see we had New York, Asia, all-time highs after London made a new high, and so forth. So, coming into the morning, we had a change of state to the downside, and then right here, I think was a draw right there. Okay. So I simply waited for, I think this was a draw right here. This was Asia open. Okay, Asia open right there. Asia got swept. So after Asia got swept, I saw that there was this 5-minute inverse right here. 5-minute inverse. And what did I do? I went down to the 1 minute. Right. Don't want any of this. Went down to the 1 minute, and I just front ran the 5-minute inverse on the 1 minute time frame right here. Right, price broke out of the 1 minute, retraced, and I got in on the retrace to the upside because obviously we swept Asia. There was a lot of consolidation right here, and then we had an SMT on the high, which would have been right here. Boom. SMT with this candle right here, and then this bearish candle, this one right here, retraced or rebalanced price right between these two. Boom, sweeping out some liquidity into this one. And then we pumped up and broke above the 1 minute gap, as well as the 2 minute. Well, not necessarily, the whole thing is a 5-minute gap. But on the 1 minute gap, we did break structure to the upside, which allowed me to take my long. Which my long, you can see I got in at 77725, 73, 756, 777.25 as price was breaking out. And I took that for 793, so 7725 to 79. Good enough. Right around 15 points. 15 points with 8 contracts gave me my $250 day, winning day across my accounts, so I'm cool with that. Over on Tradevate, I have my 3 Lucid accounts, and so I took a short right in here. Similar kind of deal. This right here is where I took that long. So as price retraced and came back down even lower, you can see it kind of waterfalls on the 5 minute, which is right in here. And so again, over there, I saw that price was continuing to break structure, especially after we tapped into and then broke below. Well, we tapped into and continued to tap. And so with the downtrend maintaining momentum to the New York low and Asia low, because remember, this is the Asia low that we took the long off of earlier. So we have New York low and Asia low resting below. So I just took a short continuation to lower. Nothing crazy. I think I could show you on the, let's see, seconds. Let's do something more realistic. 30 second. And it would be right here. So 30 second, we can see break of structure to the downside right here with this one retracing with this bull and bear candle to then further confirm the move right here. We break this bear candle with this bear candle, momentum down, and then all I was doing was I took the trade on this exact time frame, 30 second, is I was targeting this low right here. I got out on this gap right here because price had the opportunity to come down, tap into the gap, and then retrace back up. But it did what I thought was come all the way down, sweep out liquidity from that low to then retrace. But it's all good. I took my portion of the move, so I got in at 93, we'll just say 94 to 82. So basically a 12-point short with my 10 contracts. So that got me my, well, it's 10 across, yeah, 10 contracts. I was doing 30, so 10 got me my $220 across my 3 accounts. So that is basically how I ended all green today. And yeah, if you have any questions about it, please do let me know. I know I don't trade as normally as other people. I am a bit more aggressive with my executions, especially over here on this one. There was a lot more executions. Yeah, there was a lot more. Only because I was just trying to get a winning day, and I was losing, and so I upped it because I was okay with losing this PA account because I had my other 4, and yeah. But let me know in the comments below, drop a like, subscribe, and I'm going to be uploading every day I trade. But yeah, catch y'all tomorrow if I win or lose. And yeah, peace.